Ecobee holds, we meet again. Now they claim it's a feature, but you know what else is a feature? My car using gas, or when I go to the grocery store, they tax me. That's also a feature. Take note, Ecobee. Turf this thing, it's driving people nuts. Step 1, head up to your thermostat and go into the bottom 3 lines. Then go into settings and preferences, and then hold action. Set that to until the next scheduled activity. If you've got a habitat, that's the second part to doing this. Go into your Ecobee thermostat and set the preferences down to hold type, make this temporary, and then go to the apps. And the function that actually turfs the hold is the resume program on my Ecobee. Now the reason I made this video is WebCore, the resume program function, no longer works. Apparently Home Assistant works as well, thanks to Mike Treitz for posting that from the previous video. If anybody else has other solutions that are working to clear up these holds, be sure to post it down below and help the rest of the people that are using this Ecobee struggling with this problem out.